Let's dive into an annuity present value problem. Since the payments are made at the end of each year, this is an ordinary annuity. The question is, what's the present value of $2,000 per year for 7 years at 6% interest? Step 1. Identify the type. This is an ordinary annuity because the payments are equal, they happen once per year, and they're made at the end of each year. Step 2. Define the variables. Here's what we know. The payment, PMT, is $2,000 per year. The interest rate is 6%, or 0.06. The number of years is 7, and we're solving for the present value. Step 3. The formula. The formula for the present value of an ordinary annuity is PV equals PMT times the bracket 1 minus 1 plus I to the negative n, all divided by I. Step 4. Plug in the numbers. Now let's plug in our values. PV equals 2,000 times 1 minus 1.06 to the power of negative 7, divided by 0.06. Step 5. Work the exponent. First, calculate the exponent. 1.06 raised to the negative 7th power equals about 0.665. Step 6. Simplify the bracket. Next, 1 minus 0.665 equals 0.335. Now divide that by 0.06. And you get about 5.582. Step 7. Solve for PV. Finally, multiply by the payment. 2,000 times 5.58. 2 equals $11,164.76. Step 8. Interpret the answer. So what does this mean? If you had $11,164.76 today and invested it at 6%, you could withdraw $2,000 at the end of each year for the next 7 years. The present value of receiving $2,000 each year for 7 years at 6% interest, with payments at year end, is $11,164.76. That's your ordinary annuity solution.